Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. Our today's lecture will start from transforming the objects, which is on page number 102. We have learned about different topics of chapter number 7 in the previous lecture, which is pen tool, eyedropper tool, and you have learned a lot of things about them, and you also know how to import the pictures. It's exactly same as you do in the Word 2013. So today we will start from the transforming the objects. In this lecture you will learn about how to transform the objects, means pictures, how to add the colors, what are the different options Flash tool gives you to change your picture or shape you have drawn. So starting from the transforming the objects, what is the meaning of transforming the object? It means that you transform means you change the picture in many ways. Even you can change its size, you can change its color, you can change its position. So first we will see that how to use the free transform tool. The free transform tool is used to move, rotate, or scale an object. Means that you can change, rotate, and change the size of the object. To scale an object means to increase or decrease its size. Let us consider an example to understand how to use this tool. Draw a figure on the stage or import a picture. In the last lecture you have imported a picture, so we will take the example of the picture. So as you move the pointer over different parts of the selection, it changes to indicate which transform function is available. So whenever you select the picture and move the cursor to these points, it shows you different transformation types that you can change the picture in that format. Moving an object is as shown in the name, that you can move an object. But how to move an object? To move the object, to move the selected object, position the pointer over the selected object so that the pointer changes to a cross. Cross means like this. It's this sign, this one. Okay, drag the object to the new position with the left mouse button pressed. Whenever you want to move any picture, you have to select that picture, and then while clicking on it, just drag it to the other place and leave the mouse, so that picture will be moved. Let's have a look how you can do it in the Flash. For example, I have this picture. First I will select it. You can see that the mouse pointer is changed to the arrows, means a cross button. Now I will click the left button of the mouse and drag the mouse so that my picture can move anywhere in the stage. See? Next is rotating an object. You know what is rotating, means to turn the face of the picture. You can also do this in the Word 2013 or any other version. To rotate the selected object, position the point over one of the four corner handles. When the pointer changes to a curved arrow, click and drag to rotate the object. Just you have to click on the object or the picture you want to move. This type of cursor or a pointer will be appeared. When you click on it, you can change the position or rotate the position of the picture. Just have a look in the practice. See, this is the picture and I want to rotate it. So when I press it, this arrow button will be appeared. When I click it and move the mouse, I can rotate this picture as many directions as I can. So I am going to change it to like this direction. Okay, then your next topic is scaling an object. What a scaling means? Scaling means that you want to change the picture size in 2 dimensions. To scale the object in the single dimension, in single direction, drag one of the side handles in the desired direction. Just have a look in practical how we can scale an object. As you see this star and you want to scale this object, and you can scale at any different options. First of all, I'm going to take it back to its original position. Now I can change its direction by pointing all of these. For example, if I want to change it vertically, I will click on it and I can drag it. See, this is called scaling. If I press this button and drag this, it will change it to the in the 2 dimensions. As you see that whole the picture is moving and getting bigger or smaller in the same direction, in the both 2 directions. If I will press this, it's only changed in horizontal direction. So this is the scaling. The next topic is gradient transform tool. What is a gradient? Gradient is the type of the color that you are seeing in this picture, that you can add different type of colors which are mixed together in a single picture. So you can also add this to any picture. The flash tool allowed you this feature. After you have applied a gradient to an object, you can transform the gradient by adjusting its size, direction, or center. To modify the gradient fill of an object, first select the gradient transform tool. First you have to choose the gradient transform tool, then you can change different things in that gradient. Next is linear gradient. Linear gradient looks like this. It shows you the option at the sides of it. This is rotation handle, means you can rotate the gradient when you press this button. You can change the width adjustment through this handle, this button. If you press it and drag it, it will change the width of these gradients. Then this is the center point. If you want to change the direction of these lines, when you press it and you change it, it will be changed along. Your next topic is your next point is to change the width of the gradient fill, drag the width adjustment handle to the left or right. So you can see that when you press this button, you can drag it. See, it's dragging, and you can change the shape of the object and gradient also. And this is the picture when you press the center of the center point of this gradient, and you can rotate it. See, in this picture the color lines are horizontal and vertical, and in this it is a little diagonal. So you can rotate the gradient in your picture. Flash tool also give you option to change the type of this gradient. For example, if you want the gradient in the circular format, you can change it to the radical gradient, so the colors will be changed in the circle. The same options applied on it. If you want to change the size, you want to change the center, you can apply same options on it. So today's you have to read till up till here, and you have to solve the questions. Question number C, D, and E on your copy. It's very easy, and you have to do question number D on your copy, because these have some steps in it that you have to write in your copy.